because I'm really concerned about these mushroom chocolates called Diamond Shruumz. So I personally had multiple patients 2 weeks ago, which all came into the hospital after ingesting Diamond Shruumz mushroom chocolates. So apparently these chocolates are sold over the counter. They're sold at vape shops, gas stations, and other places from what I could tell. I looked at their website. They have some information about the components in there, some lab results, etc. And these patients that came into the hospital after ingesting anywhere from 4 to 7 pieces of this medication or this particular chocolate ended up having nausea, vomiting, seizures, convulsions, unconsciousness, and 3 of them ended up on the ventilator, and one of them ended up getting discharged from the emergency department after ingesting this, but was pretty severely sick prior to that. So one of the patients did respond to atropine and did wake up after. The other 2 patients were on a ventilator and ended up going to a different hospital for ICU care. So I'm really concerned about these mushroom chocolates, that they're causing pretty severe illness that basically cause people to end up in the ICU. So these are not safe. Okay, I would not take these chocolates that are over the counter. So apparently they don't have psilocybin, but it has some other components that are basically the bad components that are in mushrooms and cause some toxicity. So they're causing seizures to the point where we're giving multiple medications and the seizures are not stopping in these patients. So it's pretty severe illness. I did a TikTok a couple weeks ago, which went viral, and I had a lot of people reach out to me. I had people tell me about their experiences, that they got sick. Some of them had seizures. Some of them had convulsions and shakiness. Some of them have unconsciousness. Some people were telling me that it happened to them personally, and it also happened to some of their friends with this exact chocolate, Diamond Shruumz. So this particular brand needs to do something about it. I reached out to them through email. I didn't get any response. I posted a TikTok which went viral, and I ended up posting lab results from their website, and they got my account banned simply because they didn't want the negative publicity. They reached out to my friends and asked me to take down the TikTok regarding the toxicity of their product, and I'm very ashamed of this company that they're able to sell this product knowingly that people were ending up in the hospital with this. We did report it to the police. I'm reporting it to many other places as well. Feel free to do that as well, simply because it's a very concerning thing. These things should not be over the counter if they're causing toxicity and basically putting people in the hospital. Okay, don't ingest these. Don't use this. Don't use these chocolates. And something needs to be done about this, and I'm very concerned. I don't want any more people in the hospital after ingesting over-the-counter chocolate. There's no instructions on how much to take of these particular chocolates. I looked at the packaging from the people that presented to the hospital. There's nothing on there. There's really not many instructions of how to take them or what they do. They do cause some kind of psychotropic effect, from what I'm telling from looking at videos online. It doesn't have psilocybin, like I mentioned, so it has some other effect, but these chocolates are not good, and I don't recommend them, and I'm just warning you to be safe. All right, take care. Bye.